everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Moi holu Jaitri aru eya sakun ase.
Hi.
So
More naam Gaurav.
Oh wow. And anything else?
I'm learning Assamese day by day. So as I promised, we guys are gonna go to celebrate somebody's birthday. Somebody's busy.
Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday is not over?
So we're gonna go out. I'm gonna take them to one of the most happening places in Ludhiana, that is South City. Come with us. We'll show you what that place is and how the vibe of that place is. And I hope these guys are specifically gonna enjoy. I enjoy it every time. Let's see how they like.
Come on, chalo.
Come on.
আপোনালোকে জানেনে কালি আমি আহি পাওহি মানে গৌৰৱ ঘৰলে I think it was 2 but despite that we made sure that we have the midnight celebration of our birthday boy আমি কেক কাটিলো and then we were so tired আমি শুই গলো কিন্তু আমি কেক কিন্তু definitely কাটিলো and we had a mini celebration হেতু মই আপোনালোকক মই মোৰ vlogত মই দি দিমগে যে আমি কেনেকৈ celebrate কৰিলো আৰু এতিয়া আমি ওলাই যাও as Gaurav had already mentioned. So আমি যাও এতিয়া ক্যাব বিচাৰো ক্যাব বুক কৰো আৰু গৈ থাকো meanwhile do check out the celebration that we had in the midnight.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Vashu. Happy birthday to you. So আমি এতিয়া ক্যাবত বহিলো and I hope you guys like the celebration that we had in the midnight. It was a small and a cute celebration and aru eta kotha koi diu aji gutei din tu moi vlogging korai nai. I was just not in the mood. I was feeling very lazy. So yeah, so etia korisu etia ami cabot bohilu aru ami etia goi asu. So ahi thakok. So now Gaurav is going to explain where have we reached and where are we going, what are we up to. So this is Ludhiana's most famous happening and one of the most busiest markets when it comes to food joints or brand complexes. So we are currently at Sunview Market, Sunview Enclave, what we call it as, at the South City Market in Ludhiana. And what are you up to? What do you want to do right now?
Whatever you say, I have no clue.
So
you are the host.
So basically हम मनाने आए हैं वैशाख का birthday.
हाँ.
वैशाख जी हमें treat दे रहे हैं. So we are finding out the most costliest restaurant of this place that this guy is gonna treat us with. Yo.
लूटने आए हो मेरे को. These guys are, you know,
हम इसको
No
लूटने
words.
आए हैं.
yeah, I know that.
So meanwhile we find a restaurant. You also suggest in the vlog if any of the Ludhianis is watching the vlog, which restaurant should I take them in the next 2 days, provided we have time. So yeah, let's find the restaurant and in the meantime, stay tuned.
Oh God, look at these guys. We have come to Chili's for Vaishak's birthday party.
So after a quick decision, we have made our way to Chili's. It's famous for the Mexican food and one of the most crowded places at South City. Trust me, the food is awesome. And we ordered lots of food. Let the food come. We'll show you what we ordered.
মই এটা mocktail order কৰিছো. The name of the mocktail is coconut lemonade. I haven't tried it before, but coconut word to dekhi pelai মই order কৰিলো. So let me just try it and see if it can work. বেয়া নহয়. coconut taste টো অকণ টেঙা টেঙা হয়. Obviously coconut lemonade হয় নামটো. বেয়া নহয় কিন্তু মোৰ কথাটো অকণমান ডাউট এটা আছিল যে কোকোনাটৰ লগত ইউ ন' টেংগি টেষ্ট কেনেকুৱা আই লাইক ইট আৰু এয়া ফটো ছেশ্যন চলি আছেগৈ মিট দ্য মডেল মিট দ্য ফটোগ্ৰাফাৰ And the birthday boy has ordered for himself. What did you order for yourself?
What was the name of this that I ordered?
Chocolate chunk shake something.
Chocolate chunk shake, something like that.
And
Check the menu.
how does it taste?
This is really good.
Good?
Must try. Of course, chocolate is always very good. Chocolate is the best.
Initially, even I thought that how about ordering something with chocolate? But you know, chocolate flavor এনেকে কিবা নহয় কিবা খোৱা হৈয়ে থাকে ন shake or whatever. Anyways. So ভাবিলোঁ যে let me try something different.
सर एक तो आपको
So
मैं
এটা
रात
order
को
করে
मैं बाहर
ভাল হয়.
घर जाके एक मैंने आपको
Someone
आपको एक्सेल बना के
is
भेज
fond of coconut
आपने
and all.
बहुत यूनिक हिट की
You
थी
guys
यहाँ
can
से
give it
डाली
a try. So this is what we have ordered. So now birthday boy is taking the first bite of, what is it exactly?
Chicken platter.
Grilled chicken platter.
Oh God.
It's okay. And let me know your reviews.
It's good.
Good?
It's good.
And what are you having?
Too cheesy.
But do you like it?
So I got the review of this particular dish from one of my students. These are mozzarella cheese sticks. She told me that these would be amazing, and trust me, these are amazing.
So more khai lo idea. Look like this. Grilled chicken. It's good. It's good. Let me just try the veggies. I love corns, especially baby corn. So what is birthday boy having now?
Birthday boy is having cajun hot chicken wings. Let me try it out and we'll rate it. This is not bad. Not bad.
Would you like to recommend?
For hardcore non-vegetarians, yes, definitely. It's a must try. I won't say it's excellent, but something different. Yeah, you can try it.
Now Gaurav will be having his next dish.
I am dicing the burger into 2 parts.
Okay. So I shall get back to you after you're done with dicing. Okay, now finally Gaurav is going to try his next dish and let me know how it was.
Amazing.
Are you speechless? So, খাই বই বেশাগৰ birthday party. আমি এতিয়া ওলালো. How was the celebration?
Celebration was good. You should tell me. You tell me. How was
I loved it. Like you tell me how was the food and all.
See, I am the one who gave the party. It was my birthday, so I should be asking you guys.
अरे तुम
How was
बताओ
it?
खाना वाना कैसा लगा ये बताओ.
Khana, it was good. It was good.
Good, na?
Not bad.
हाँ.
Certain things could have been better, but yes, fine. Overall, it was very good. Chilies is recommended. You guys can try it out. Okay.
What about you, Gaurav? कहाँ गए? अरे गौरव कहाँ गया? अच्छा गौरव এইফালে ক'ৰবাত গ'ল. Anyways, I love the food. ভাল লাগিলে মোৰ. And কিছুমানে অকণমান expensive পাব পাৰে. I don't know. Some of you may find it expensive, but for me it was fine. I mean, I did not pay the bill. It was a treat from another person. But then otherwise, I like the
It
food.
was treat from the birthday boy.
Yeah.
It was treat from the birthday boy.
And আমি ইমান খালোঁ. We have had a lot. So অকণমান এতিয়া আমি খোজকাঢ়িছোঁ. And where is Gaurav? Yeah? I can't find him.
He's on call there.
Okay, he's on a call. Yeah, so finally Gaurav has come. We were looking for you. You vanished all of a
I got a call and I just called my director, sir, and asked him to approve my leave, and my leave is approved for tomorrow, half day leave. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy it tomorrow, and I'm gonna be with them the entire day. So grateful for spending time with them, and this is not the last time, but I would say this is a series that's gonna start.
Yeah. और खाना तो बताओ कैसा लगा?
खाना was amazing. इतना मतलब खाना कम ऑर्डर करा, but इतनी ज़्यादा heaviness थी that we had to pack it for home.
चलो, we'll catch you guys
So
soon.
we are just strolling right now. We are
Yeah.
just taking a round of this place so that थोड़ा सा खाना digest हो जाए, and then after clearing certain bits, we are gonna go back home
Yes.
and see you soon then.
So we are finally leaving. আমি ওলালো and cab book কৰিম এতিয়া, and we are finally heading towards home. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. এতিয়া যাওঁ, ঘৰলৈ যাম, চেঞ্জ কৰিম, ফ্ৰেছ হ'ম আৰু থৈ লগ পাই আছোঁ অলপ পিছত. শক্তিমান.
शक्तिमान कौन है भाई? मैं हूँ डॉन.
You literally now you look like and sound like a drunkard. You are actually drunk. सही में ऐसे लग रहा है.
কেব আহিলে, গৈ থাকোঁ এতিয়া. So finally ঘৰ পালোহি. We are freshened up and now we'll be going to sleep after some time. And how was your day?
I would say रात को 4:30 बजे सो के सुबह 6:30 बजे मैं उठ गया because I had to go to work, and these guys obviously थोड़ा सा मेरे से लेट उठे but ये भी जल्दी उठ गए. We were out the entire day, had some work, and now we are back home, tired, sleepy and everything, but we had a good time and we enjoyed a lot. So yeah, it's sleep time.
Chalo, guys, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Diary of an Assamese Girl. Till then, good night.
And Asmi's translation, more naam hol Gaurav.
Wow. Wow.
Okay guys, see you, good night,
Good
and
night.
God bless all.